Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and backups because removing app data is irreversible. Once backed up, go to Settings and pick Apps. You want the specific app entry. Open Storage or Storage and cache immediately to see exact usage and caches. Tap Clear Cache first to remove temporary files. This frees space without touching accounts. Make sure to note account-linked data before proceeding, since the next step removes everything stored under the app on this device. Once ready, choose Clear Storage or Clear Data to wipe databases, preferences, and local files. This resets the app to first launch state. Next, check Settings right arrow accounts for any link services and remove those entries to prevent automatic restores. If the app uses device admin, revoke that permission first. If residual data persists, uninstall the app and select Delete App Data when prompted. Then reinstall from Play Store. If you want to finish, inspect external storage paths like /android/data and /android/ob and remove leftover folders. Some require a file manager or USB connection. For advanced users, use ADB commands to delete stubborn files. This bypasses scoped storage limits. Once done, reboot to ensure system frees space and resets permissions. If you still see restored data, clear Google Play Store cache and disable Auto Restore. As a last resort, consider a factory reset, but only after backing up device-wide data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.